Hi guys, hello and welcome back. Today, let's paint an adorable sleeping beauty in my version. Create a new sketch. Set the resolution to 1536 by 2048. Import an image for reference. Create a new layer and place it above the image. The brush I am using here is Paint Tapered. Zoom in your image and start tracing. Create a new layer. Start filling in the colors. Try and use multiple shades of each color so that it brings out highlights and shadows. Let's paint the roses. Here, I'm using 3 different shades for each rose. Select the Smudge Coarse angular brush for blending. This will give you a kind of watercolor effect. Now I'm painting the shadows. using a darker shade to paint the shadows. It's time for the background. Create a new layer and select the option Fill. Let's add some clouds. Some more darker shades for shadow. Smudge it only with the Smudge Coarse angular brush for that watercolor kind of effect. To paint flowers, I am going to use Dream brush. Duplicate the layers to create multiple layers. You can transform, flip, and position them according to your choice. Let's paint a cute crown for our sleeping beauty. Use glow brush to paint the crown. Use glow cross brush to add that bling. And you are done. Let me know if you liked this tutorial in the comments below. Hit a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay creative.